A local code change requires the service location to be closest to the utility pedestal. There are several reasons for this requirement. Firstly, it reduces service connection costs. This requirement minimizes the distance between the utility pedestal and the service point, reducing the cost of materials and labor for the utility company. Secondly, it improves service reliability. Shorter service connections reduce the potential for voltage drop and other electrical issues. Thirdly, it ensures consistency and fairness. It ensures that all properties in the street have equitable access to utility services. Fourthly, it improves aesthetics. Keeping service connections close to the street reduces visual clutter and improves the neighborhood's appearance. For single-family dwellings, the service point must be located within a specified distance of the utility pedestal. The utility company must follow the property line to reach the service location. The service point must be accessible for maintenance and repairs. For multifamily dwellings, each unit must have a dedicated service point located within a specified distance of the utility pedestal. The utility company must follow the property line to reach the service location for each unit. The service points must be accessible for maintenance and repairs. Implementation of the new local code change would involve several steps. Firstly, the local building code would be amended to include the new requirement. Secondly, the utility company would be notified of the new regulation and required to comply. Thirdly, homeowners and property owners would be responsible for ensuring their service connections meet the new requirements. There are several benefits to this local code change. Firstly, it reduces service connection costs for residents. Secondly, it improves service reliability. Thirdly, it provides consistent and fair access to utility services. Fourthly, it enhances aesthetics. There are some additional considerations to keep in mind. Easements may be required to ensure the utility company can access the service point. The requirement may not be applicable in certain cases, such as where underground utilities are present or where there are physical constraints. The distance requirement should be determined based on local factors, such as soil conditions and the availability of underground utilities.